Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Saturday gist, Saturday discussion time, Saturday reminding my fellow Cameroonian secondary school students to read their books. So every Saturday I'll be reminding you, so you read. If you have forgotten that you have to read, you are doing economics, geography, history, mathematics, English, comments, marketing, whatever you're doing, I am here to remind you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that each Saturday I'll be reminding you. I'll be a clock. Yes, I'll be I'll be an alarm clock. I'll be reminding you every Saturday that you have to read. So if you're sleeping, you'll get a notification on your phone, so you get up. So I'll be an alarm clock every Saturday. You must read. Yes, make me your alarm clock. So whatever you're studying, you don't need to bother. Every Saturday I am your timetable, I am your clock, so I'll be reminding you. So just subscribe and get notified when you want to read. So I'm just here to remind you. Every Saturday I am here to remind you that you should not forget to read your books. Take one topic at a time. Read. If you don't understand, if you don't have a phone to do your research, go on take 100 francs, go to a cyber cafe, buy time. When you buy time, go to Google. You say you don't know how to use Google. Yes, when you see Google, I believe you can recognize Google app. When you see it, click on it. There is a search option. Tap on that search option and type whatever you want to. For example, if you're doing economic, maybe you don't understand demand and supply, just type what is demand and supply. Google is going to display options, so you choose the one that you want. Headlines, you choose the one that you want and you read. Take your pen and your paper, summarize, and you will definitely learn something. You can go to YouTube, tap on the search option, write what is demand and supply. You get videos that are going to help you. So please, I am your Saturday reminder. I will keep reminding you. I am your alarm clock every Saturday to remind you. So please just subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you next Saturday. Thank you.